All right, cylinder two.
Cylinder two.
For time.
Springs. Okay. All right.
Ready? 3,
Set.
2, 1, go.
Go!
Front spring.
Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're not working on one of my Z's. We're working on one of my buddy's Z's. This is Jason's 280Z. He's had over here before. You've met him before. Good dude, but the car's not doing so good. It's smoking a little bit of oil, and we're gonna see if we can't get that to stop completely, or at least smoke a lot less than it is right now. And the easiest way to do that is to change some valve stem seals. These things get rock hard over time and they stop sealing, and they're just a little rubber thing that sits on top by that point. So we're gonna pull all of those off and put some new ones on and see if it'll fix the problem that he's got going on. Welcome back, let's get busy. So we've got most of the valve stem seals changed, and we're both kind of type A personalities, and we can't really just do the task at hand and complete it and get it done, right? We actually got to turn it into a competition. So most competitions are timed, and that's what we're doing now. We're gonna time it, see how quick we can do it. We've whittled it down from the first one that took about 45 minutes, and we've gotten it down to like 7 to 9 minutes comfortably. And we're gonna up the ante a little bit and see if we can't do this sub 5 minutes. So here we go. Let's do it for time, yeah?
All right, cylinder two.
Cylinder two.
For time.
Springs, okay, all right.
Ready? 3,
Set.
2, 1, go.
Go!
Front spring, compress. Rockers out. You go back, I'll get the lash pad. Yep. Lash pad's out for the front.
Rocker.
Rocker for the back.
Lash pad.
Lash pad.
Air pressure.
Pressure. All right. Keepers. I get this. You get the keepers.
Okay.
See, I got one. I got one of them. Got the second one. Okay. Coming up. Done. Going to the back.
You go to the back. I'll take this off.
You're in my way. All right. Boom. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Down. Okay. Got one. Come on, give me the other one. Give me the other one. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, I got both. All right, coming up, coming up. Okay. Springs off. Springs off. I'm going front seal.
Okay. Gonna oil the new seal.
Front seal's off.
Clean it.
Does it look clean? I would clean it. Back seal's off. Okay.
How's it look?
It looks fine.
Okay, new seal.
Oiled.
Oiled, yep, it's already been oiled.
9 mil. Push down. Front seal's on.
Okay. Okay, rear seal.
Rear seal's on. Okay, springs. Fronts. Let's see, I can't see.
Okay, that one's on.
Spring compressor. Or whatever, yeah. I know keepers.
Yeah, you're gonna get keepers.
Cleaning keepers.
Yep. Get them keepers on. 2.5 minutes.
No jinx it. We're halfway there.
Halfway there.
This is what screws us up.
Oh, the keepers are thing, but yeah. All right. Looks good. I think that'll work. Looking good. Don't get cocky. I'll push that in. Push it in there. Push it in. Upside down. Yeah, don't do that.
Come down, come down.
Down. Okay. That looks good.
Come up.
Oop, top one didn't.
Come up, come up.
Yep,
Check.
looks good.
All right, goes back. Nice. Clean the backs.
A lot more space. Tell me if I'm too far down. Probably a little too far down.
You just need to push it forward.
Okay.
Come on. Being magnetized. It's always one. Come down, come down. Come up, come up. Go down. Go down. All right.
Good. Ooh, looks good. Looks good. Did it.
right.
Take the air off. Air's off.
All right, lash pads. I got the rear, I got the front.
All right, getting ready for the
50 seconds, bro.
Okay, do the front one. Front rocker.
All right. Rear.
Orientate that a little bit. Spin it.
Come on, come on, come on. Go down, go down. All right, come up.
On your face.
Back, back, back.
I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you from across the engine bay. Oh, did I do it?
Time.
Oh,
449!
baby.
Oh, that's awesome.
Woo! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, click that like button. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions about the process or what we did or why, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. I appreciate you guys as always, and until next time, thanks for watching this one.